Now today, federal prosecutors called the first witnesses to the stand.
Hill is accused of violating the civil rights of 7 detainees at the jail. We have special live team coverage for you this evening looking at how Clayton County voters feel about the trial. But first, Joe Hinkie was inside the courtroom today. And Joe, you heard from a former Clayton County Sheriff's Office captain who was present during 2 of the incidents Hill is on trial for.
That's right, Jennifer, and we'll get to his testimony in just a second. But first, federal prosecutors gave their opening statement as part of this trial. And during that statement, they said Victor Hill violated the civil rights of 7 people inside the Clayton County jail by forcing them or ordering them to be placed in a restraint chair for several hours at a time as a form of punishment. Now, when these incidents happened, these individuals were still pre-trial detainees, meaning they had not received a trial and had not been found guilty yet of any crimes. Prosecutors in court today for the first time showed 2 videos of 2 separate incidents where we could see inmates being placed in the restraint chair. A former Clayton County Sheriff's Office captain who oversaw the county jail's operations testified in 2 cases he witnessed there was no reason for either inmate to be placed in a restraint chair, as both men were remaining calm and not posing any threat in his opinion. In one case, the inmate is seen talking with Sheriff Hill while handcuffed and surrounded by approximately 10 officers. In the other instance, almost an hour passes as a man is being booked into the jail and he is left alone for large portions of that time. Witnesses said he posed no threat, but at Hill's orders in both cases, the men were put in the chair for 4 hours, and someone could be only removed from the chair with Hill's approval, according to the former Sheriff's Office captain we heard from. Prosecutors also told the jurors today inmates who were placed in the chair complained of bodily injuries, and at least 2 now have scars from being placed in the chair. Now, during opening statements in Hill's defense, his attorneys said Hill did not commit a single crime here, and his orders to use the restraint chair is in line with both state law and Sheriff's Office policies. They also said this type of chair is used by jails and prisons around the country. Now, today was the first day of testimony in this trial. It is expected to last at least 2 weeks. We'll send it back to you in studio.
Okay, Joe, thanks a lot for the update.